Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to convert videos for social networks with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Import the source videos. Open UniConverter 13. Choose the converter category. Import the video you want to convert. Step 2. Choose a preset. Open the output format. Go to the Web Video tab. Choose Social Media Platform and select a resolution. Step 3. Convert the video. Choose the high-speed conversion, select an output folder in the file location field and click Convert. Step 4. Access the converted files. Click the Finish tab to go to the output folder to access the newly produced files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video!